Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today my staff me, I'm going to try to make my original pasta, scallop, and frozen tomato sauce. Long week. I'm just try to make a little bit strong garlic taste. I'm gonna make garlic chip, so chopped garlic mixed up with tomato sauce. Okay, pasta in. So I'm always use spaghettini. So it takes about 5 minutes, making a little bit hard al dente. Slice garlic. This one is decoration on top, making some garlic chip and chopped garlic. Olive oil. A little bit anchovy paste. Baby scallop. And tomatoes. Frozen. Secret seasoning, a little bit naan-pura, just a little bit. Long leek, a little bit olive oil. Another secret seasoning, shirodashi, just a little bit. Okay, done. This is baby scallop with tomato sauce, spaghettini. いただきます。Good. Rich flavor. Baby scallop is good item. I am always keep in my freezer stock room, so very easy to make this kind of pasta. Yummy! Please try it. This kind easy to make. Scallop pasta. Oh, thank you for watching my channel. See you again next time in my kitchen. Please try it. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.